All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idioms. So never has a hair out of place. Yeah. Always has things where they are supposed to be. Yes, the books are where they're supposed to be. The screens are where they're supposed to be. Everything has a place. Nothing is out of place. Never has a hair out of place. Yeah. We are organized and never have a hair out of place. We are organized, never have. We are and never have. Yeah, everything is organized. Nothing is out of place. Out of place, yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. They know he never has a hair out of place. Yeah. Perfect organization. Very conscious. A lot of conscientiousness. A lot of organization. Very prudent and very diligent. Yes. Never a hair out of place. He is very prudent and never has a hair out of place. Quite important, yeah. So, I don't want a hair out of place and to be organized. Yes, I think it is important to be organized and never have a hair out of place. Yes, organized. A pile of books to read here. The books I'm studying and reading here. Things I work on here. More screens there. A few things here. A few things there. One or two things there. Perfect. Nothing is out of place. Nothing is out of place. Not even a hair. Not even a hair. Everything is organized. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use never has a hair out of place in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.